In this video, I'm going to show you how to block unknown numbers on Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy device, you can easily block unknown callers on your device. For as long as the callers are not saved on your Samsung device, the caller are going to be blocked automatically. So if you're new to this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to block unknown caller or unknown number on your Samsung phone is go to Dialer app, just like this. Make sure you're on the Dialer app as it is. Then click on the menu icon at the top, which is the three dots. Select this, and then you have three options available here. Go ahead and click on settings. On settings page, this is what you're going to see. Now, locate block numbers, and then under block numbers, locate block calls from unknown numbers, and make sure this is turned on. You can say this is turned on. If yours is turned off, go ahead and turn this on. And if you click on this three dots here, you can see you can unblock all numbers you blocked on your Samsung phone. Now, once this is enabled, this is going to block calls from unknown numbers on your Samsung Galaxy device. I won't advise you do this on your Samsung phone because this can block unimportant calls calling you without saving the contact on your device. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.